Today's gospel reminds me of the old version of the Lord's Prayer. I am referring in particular to that part in the prayer that says, "And forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us." Sa old version ng Our Father, that part says, "And forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors." Sa Tagalog, "At patawarin mo ang aming mga utang," utang talaga, gaya ng pagpapatawad namin sa mga nagkakautang sa amin. You know, this line establishes the important connection between asking to be forgiven and being forgiving. Hindi pwedeng paghiwalayin ang dalawa. Ano ba ang karapatan ko na humingi ng tawad kung ako mismo hindi marunong magpatawad? What right do I have to seek forgiveness if I myself am so unforgiving? Sa ating gospel, Jesus is elaborating on this idea by telling his audience a story, a parable about an unforgiving servant. He had been forgiven the huge amount of money that he needed or he owed his master. And yet, when a fellow servant of his who owed him much less asked for some consideration, he responded by demanding an immediate repayment from him and having him imprisoned when he could not immediately pay back what he owed. Listen to what the master said to him. "You wicked servant, I forgave you your entire debt because you begged me to. Should you not have had pity on your fellow servant as I had pity on you?" Kung tatagalugin natin ito, instead of saying, "Napakasama mong katulong," I would probably have used the Tagalog expression, "Napakawalang utang na loob mong katulong." Walang utang na loob. Pinatawad kita dahil nagmakaawa ka. Hindi ka ba dapat naawa at nagpatawad sa iyong kapwa kung paanong kinaawaan kita at pinatawad? Very interesting talaga how in Tagalog, we switch from the literal to the figurative sense of indebtedness. Dadagdagan lang ng word loob, yung salitang utang. From a literal utang, which is debt, to a figurative utang na loob, a spiritual form of indebtedness. Unfortunately, medyo pag tin-English mo, it's watered down. Debt of gratitude. Utang na loob. Para sa ating mga Pilipino, ang utang na loob is more than a debt of gratitude. The simplest way of putting it is, why should I expect to be forgiven if I myself choose to be so unforgiving? This must be what Jesus meant when he said, "The measure with which you measure others will be measured out to you." Ang panukat na ginamit mo para sa iba ay ipanunukat din sa iyo. Meaning, the Lord is not asking to be repaid for the debts that we owe Him. Rather, what He expects of us is not repayment, not to pay it back, but rather to pay it forward. Pay it forward.